Hello, my name is Wyatt Long, and I will be demonstrating today my welding robot for the Atlantic team in FSE 100. Up top, we have an analog system, a gas sensor that is going to indicate the level of gas in the tank for the robot to perform its welding operations. These LEDs here will demonstrate the level of gas left in the tank. Above that, we have a tilt sensor that is going to actually indicate how far the robot is tilted and if it is tilted too much to perform welding operations. Next to that, we have a temperature sensor. This temperature sensor is going to let the operator know just how hot or cold the environment is and the actual welding being performed is, and that will allow the operator to make the proper adjustments to commence weldment. Below that, we have the propulsion system of the robot. Number 1 on this remote is going to turn these DC motors. That is going to propel the robot forward. Number 2 will allow the robot to turn, and one of these motors will be reversed. It is this bottom one here when you press number 2. Number 3, both motors will turn the opposite direction and allow the robot to move backwards. And number 4, the top motor will change direction and allow the robot to turn to the left. This servo motor here is the last part, and it will be activated by pressing number 5, which will simulate the valve opening to allow the weldment gases to flood through and for welding to begin. We will go ahead and start our simulation to demonstrate. As you can see, when I press 1, the DC motors are activated. When I press 2, this bottom motor here changes direction. When I press 3, both motors reverse direction and begins moving backwards. When I press 4, only the top motor changes direction. And now watch as I press 5, you will see that the servo opens up, allowing the gas to flood through. Up here at the top, this is our gas indicator. Imagine that this sensor is at the top of the tank. As the gas is used and slowly moves away from the top of the tank, the lights will grow dimmer and dimmer, indicating that there is less gas in the tank. Here's our tilt sensor, which will demonstrate if the robot is too tilted to perform weldment. And here is our temperature sensor that is going to let the operator see just how hot things are and if he is welding too hot. And here is the code. You are able to see that it uses many aspects of what we talked about. Down here, the buttons are enumerated to show which way the robot should turn. And below that, we have the code to actually allow the servo motor to turn and open by pressing number 5. I believe that is all. Thank you for your time.